If you haven't seen my review of all these stickers, then you should check out that video here or there, wherever I link it on this video.
And then come back to this video.
I've got all these stickers and I just love them, and I can't wait to make them into magnets and hang them all over things that are magnety. Well, I got this 24 foot by 3 foot magnet material. It's like 3 mil. It's super flexible. It's thin enough that you can cut it. I got it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to check this stuff out. I love it. I've used it for years and I've created some pretty rad bumper stickers, all kinds of stuff. When I don't want it on my car anymore, then I just take it off. I'm unrolling this as best I can. I kind of want to make the coolest ones first.
And that's this one. And I really like this.
I don't know, we'll just make a bunch. Whatever I grab, I guess. I want squares together so that I can get them as close as possible. And I probably should reverse this a little bit. On the back side here is the magnet material. Now, if you wanted to draw on this or make up a sign on the laser printer, print it out and then paste it to this magnet material. Or you could laminate the paper before you put it on here, and then it's waterproof, you know? And right now I'm just trying to straighten this out. So in order to do these vinyl clings, first you take it off the thing and then you basically use like a credit card or some sort of sharp card to get it to be as smooth as possible and to get the air out of it. And it doesn't matter if it's straight or not because I'm cutting around it. So now I'm taking out all the air bubbles.
There we go.
So what I want to do is maybe take some of these straight edge ones and go pretty close to it. Really what I should be doing is going right up against this. Oh, it's starting to stick. It's only sticky once, really. I mean, you don't really want to mess around with it too much because otherwise it kind of peels off. Is there a trick to getting the backers off on these?
Yeah, I don't know.
What's the secret to getting it straight?
Sometimes you just gotta do it.
So that's just basically close enough to get a scissor in there. So that one might fit in there. Very first time I ever did these, I cut this stuff into sections and I ended up wasting a ton of this material because the stickers didn't fit all that well on them. And I was doing a lot of bumper stickers at the time and totally messed up on the spacing. And I just wasted a lot of the material and it just isn't worth it. I just would rather not waste any of the material if I don't need to. Okay, I messed up on this one big time. And I got a big bubble in it, but I seem to have gotten it out, thank goodness. That works right there. There's this big one too. That one will work here. Then I got this space right here. That'll work. Oh, that's pretty close. They're all magnets. I got all of the stickers that I could fit on the magnets. I basically have this amount left to use on a different project, and I have a plethora of magnets now on my door, which you can see right now. So that concludes this random project of making stickers into magnets, and I hope you had a good time, and we'll see you next time. Love you guts. Bye.